Here from Pixie Site, and I'm going to show you how to add an admin easily to your Squarespace website. So right here we are just on the dashboard of your Squarespace website, and we're going to go down onto settings. Click that. Once we're in here, you're just going to go up to permissions. So in here, you've got two options. You've got invite contributor and you've got add basic author. So if you've got, say, a blog on your website and you just want to add someone temporarily with limited permissions to write a blog, then go ahead and just use add basic author. Otherwise, we're going to go ahead and click on invite contributor. So in here, you can write in the person's name, who it is, pop in their email address. I'm just making up a Jane here. And then you can have the option of what permissions you allow them to have. So obviously if you toggle on administrator, they're going to have full access to everything that you can see and do within your site, including editing and billing permissions. So if you are not wanting them to have full permissions, then you just have that one toggled off, and you can see down here you've got all these different options. So let's say that it's an e-commerce store and you just want them to be able to manage orders, then you would just toggle on store manager. There's other things here. You've got email campaigns editor for someone who's organizing your email campaigns. You have got billing for if you've got someone who organizes your accounts for you. So also website editor there. So you can just choose to toggle on and off the permission settings that you choose for them to have. Once you've chosen the right settings, just go ahead and click invite, and it is as simple as that. So we'll go ahead and click on invite. Now up here, you can see that the invite has already automatically been sent to them via an email. You've also got this invitation link here, which you're able to copy. So if I go ahead and copy that, then I can go and send it in an email to Jane, or if I'm already chatting to her on Messenger or DMs or something, then I can just give her that code and it will bring up for her to accept the invitation straight away. And it's as simple as that. Now you can see over on the side here, you have got invites sent and people who have already accepted. So at any stage, you're able to go and click on those people and you're able to change their permissions. If you do go ahead and change their permissions, then you'll just need to make sure that you go ahead and click save up the top there. Cool. And that is as easy as that.